Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you are unable to turn on Windows Defender, then please watch this video. Now, in at least 70% of the cases, the problem is the same, that a third-party security software is installed on your system. And I'll tell you what happens. Even if you're able to open Windows Security and go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab, this whole page is grayed out. And there's something else here because the third-party security software will take over Windows security. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to apps, installed apps, and then scroll down and somehow try to find the problematic app here. Okay. And then click on this and then select uninstall and uninstall the third-party security software. And why should we be uninstalling it? Because nowadays Windows security is more than sufficient for protecting your computer. That era of viruses and malware is gone. Now Microsoft pushes its own security updates. Okay, the next solution is to check the date and time on your PC. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane and click on sync now. The next solution is to run Windows updates. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to check the status of certain services. So search for services in the Windows search bar. Okay, and open this one and then check for services related to Windows security. Okay, the Windows security service, right click on it and then make sure that it is started. Now usually it will be running and you cannot stop it, but yes, third-party software products can stop it. So if they have done that job, then start or restart it. And lastly, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.